In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish content on Substack, a platform that allows you to easily share your thoughts and ideas through newsletters, podcasts, and videos. Whether you're an aspiring writer, a podcaster, or someone who just loves sharing insights, Substack offers a fantastic opportunity to connect with your audience in a meaningful way. Let's get started by walking through the process of getting your content out into the world. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to substack.com. This is your starting point for all things Substack, so once you're there, look for the login option. You can choose to log in using your email account, or if you prefer, you can also use your Google or Apple account for a quicker sign-in. Substack makes it super convenient, so pick whichever method works best for you. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your Substack dashboard, which is your hub for creating and managing content. To begin drafting your masterpiece, look for the New Post button. It's typically easy to spot and invites you to let your creativity flow. Click on that, and you'll be able to start writing your newsletter or whatever type of content you want to share. Now, Substack isn't just about newsletters. You have a few options when it comes to the content you can publish. Besides written articles, you can also create podcasts and videos. This gives you the flexibility to choose the format that best suits your message and your audience. Once you've chosen the type of content and crafted your piece, it's time to decide who will get to see it. Substack provides options for how you want to share your content with others. You can make it available to everyone, which is great for reaching a broad audience. Alternatively, if you're building a more exclusive community, you can choose to share your post only with your free subscribers. This way, people who have signed up to follow your work get the first peek. Lastly, if you're offering premium content, you can restrict your post to paid subscribers only, rewarding those who support your work financially. Before you hit that publish button, take a moment to review your content. Make sure everything is as you want it to be, because once it's out there, it'll reach all those eager eyes and ears. And that's it. You've successfully created and published content on Substack. By following these steps, you can seamlessly share your insights, stories, or expertise with a growing audience. Thanks for tuning in to today's video, and happy publishing.